Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate data architecture with Google Cloud detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Cloud console. Navigate to the architecture section from the dashboard. Choose data from the available architecture options. Select data services to explore the tools available. Click on BigQuery to access data warehousing capabilities. Enable the BigQuery API if it isn't already activated. Create a new dataset by clicking on Create Dataset. Enter a unique name for your dataset. Set the data location based on your geographical needs. Click Create Dataset to finalize the process. Once the dataset is created, navigate to Tables under the dataset. Click on Create Table to start adding data. Select the source of your data, such as Google Cloud Storage. Configure the file format of your data input. Specify the destination table name where data will be loaded. Set appropriate schema options or allow automatic schema detection. Click Create Table to load your data into BigQuery. Next, navigate to Dataflow to start creating data pipelines. Click Create Job to initiate a new Dataflow job. Select a template based on your pipeline requirements or create a custom pipeline. Define your job parameters, including input and output locations. Set the worker configurations suitable for your data processing needs. Review your settings and click Run Job to start processing. After your job completes, go to Dataproc for managed Spark and Hadoop. Create a cluster by clicking on Create Cluster. Configure your cluster settings, including size and machine type. Set the region where your cluster will be deployed. Click Create to initiate the cluster setup. Once the cluster is running, deploy your Spark application. Use the command line or API to submit your job to the cluster. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.